Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I'm able to do this because of your support. And if you're stopping by for the first time, there are so many videos out there you could have watched, but I decided to click on this video to watch me. Thank you for being here, and I can promise you're going to enjoy today's video. In today's video, I'm going to use rosemary water on my hair every day for 7 days. Rosemary has a whole lot of benefits when it comes to hair growth, and I also wanted to do this challenge to show you all the benefits that rosemary can have on our hair if you use it consistently. I'm going to show you 2 ways of preparing rosemary water in this video. The first way is to just put your rosemary in the water, and once it starts boiling, you're going to allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. After that, you're going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. Once it's all cooled down, you're going to strain it, and voila, you have your rosemary water. It is so easy to prepare this recipe, but the benefits are out of this world. I'm going to tell you all about it, and also I'm going to show you how I used it every day on my hair for 7 days straight. And I'm also going to show you the amazing results that I got from this recipe. But before getting into all that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So make sure you show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And don't forget to leave me a comment in the section below and also share this video on your social media platforms. So at this point, I transferred my rosemary water into my spray bottle, and I'm going to add some rosemary essential oil. It's just as good as the fresh rosemary water, but adding this is going to maximize the benefit of this rosemary water. Alright, let me show you how I use this. I'm going to use this for 7 days straight, as I said, and today is the first day. I decided to put my hair in a simple mini twist to make the use much easier. This is going to make it very easy for it to penetrate into my scalp, onto my hair strands, and also onto my roots. I concentrate on my edges, on my roots, at the ends of my hair, every part of my hair. I just want to make sure every part of this hair receives this treatment. So this is day 2. I was using this treatment every morning. Whenever I go to bed, I make sure to cover my hair with a silk scarf to make sure my hair does not break while sleeping. So whenever I wake up morning and I get ready for the day, then I use my rosemary water in my hair. And at night time when I'm going back to bed, I make sure to put my scarf on it. On the second day, I decided to re-moisturize my hair since it felt so dry. So I applied some leave-in conditioner. I went in with some hair growth oil, my DIY hair growth oil. I'm going to leave the link in the description box so you can see how I made this oil. I also go in with my hair growth butter. I have the recipe for this butter as well, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Make sure to stop by to check these recipes because they are really beneficial when it comes to your hair growth. It's already day 3. I'm super excited. I did the same process by applying this on my scalp, on my roots, the ends of my hair, my edges, every part of my hair. My hair feels so good already, and I just love it. Remember, whenever you apply this, you are massaging your scalp so it can really penetrate into your scalp. After the 3rd day, I decided to discard the rest of my rosemary water and make a fresh one. And this is the second way that you can make your fresh rosemary water. You can use your dry rosemary leaves. The first recipe, I used the fresh ones, but today I'm using the dry ones. After putting a mason jar, I just pour some hot water on it, allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes or till the water cools down. Very easy to prepare. Then after that, I'm going to strain it. Let me know if you would prefer the first way of preparing the rosemary water, that is boiling it, or you rather use this method where you pour the hot water over it. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. After straining it, this is my rosemary water. It is all ready to be used, and I'm going to continue using it on the 4th day and also for the rest of the days for this challenge. But before that, I'm going to show you how I store my rosemary water whenever I have excess. I put in the mason jar like so. Then after that, I make sure to cover it. I put it in my refrigerator. I do not leave it sitting on the counter. It can be left on the counter for some days, but I prefer putting it in the refrigerator so it doesn't go bad at all because it's just water based. Then whenever I'm ready to use it, I take it out from the refrigerator, put it in the microwave and warm it up. After warming it up, then I start to apply it to my hair. This is the 4th day of applying my rosemary water and I'm already loving it. My hair turns to suck up all nutrients and water really fast and it gets dry. I have high porosity hair. So I make sure to moisturize my hair every other day using this treatment so my hair doesn't get so dry and break. So this is the 4th day and I went ahead to moisturize my hair using a leave-in conditioner, a hair growth butter as well as hair growth oil. On the 5th day, I did the same thing, applying the rosemary water onto my hair. It felt so good on the scalp, guys. You must give this treatment a try. Also, do not forget to massage your scalp whenever you apply this. And this is the 6th day. I went through the same process and I'm just loving it. So after applying this on the 7th day, I just applied it once again. Then I am going to take down my hair. Then we are all going to see the benefits of applying rosemary on my hair. But before getting into all that, if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? You know what I'm talking about. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. Using rosemary water on your hair consistently, it is going to treat your scalp from dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and other scalp issues. In return, it's going to stimulate new healthy hair growth. You all know hair grows from the scalp. So this treatment is going to treat your scalp and give way to healthy hair growth. It is also going to protect your hair strands and prevent them from breaking. And that is one of my results from this challenge. I experienced very little hair shedding when I was taking down my twist. Also, I felt my hair was so full and thicker. My edges were all full and I just love it on my hair. I didn't experience any smell from this recipe. It is really safe to use on all hair types. I hope you really enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed filming it. Thank you for watching it. But before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster. Bye!